Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be another wash and go video. I am going to be trying again, well not really trying, I'm going to be using the Texture ID styling cream, the one that I raved about in my last video that gave me the best wash and go ever. But I want to pair it with a gel. When I used this, my hair only lasted about three days was the max that my hair lasted. It was like, you know, a big bush. So I'm going to try pairing it with the gel and see if I can get a longer lasting wash and go. And I also said, I'm also using a gel that I said I would never ever use again, which is the Wetline Extreme Gel. I've heard that this is a killer combo with using these two are like the best wash and go. So I'm going to try that out today and see what my thoughts are. If you want to see what my thoughts are, please keep watching.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I already have leave-in conditioner in my hair, and of course if you watch my channel you know I use I've been loving the Mish Beauty leave-in conditioner, so that's what I used again today. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I've been using that. I did that while my hair was soaking wet under the water. So I have my leave-in already in my hair. Alright, so now that my hair is already sectioned off, and like I said earlier, my leave-in conditioner is already in my hair, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the styling cream into my hair. And that's about how much I have left. I used it one time, so this is what I have left. I used it actually more than once. I used it in Houston just to refresh my curls because my hair was like really a big poof. I lost my definition. It just, I guess the humidity got to it in Houston, and it was just, I need to restyle it. So I refreshed my wash and go in Houston, so I've used that styling ID cream twice. Alright, so now that this section is detangled, I'm going to go ahead and take about that much of the styling cream and rub it in my hair in this section of, and I'm not going to go heavy-handed on this gel. The last time I used this gel with no leave-in, so my hair was super duper hard, and then I went in with a pick and was picking my hair like crazy while it was hard, and my hair broke a lot from that. So I learned a lesson from that. It really wasn't the product, it was really me. I should have used a leave-in, and so the product didn't work out for me at that time, and I hated it. I hated it. So I said I wanted to give it another try because a lot of you guys were asking me on my comments on that last video to try it with a leave-in. So I'm gonna try it with a leave-in and a cream, sis. Okay, I'm a double duty it, so it won't be so hard. So because this gel is so hard, I'm going to take just a little bit of it. That's too much. I don't want a hard hold. And take about, well, that much, but you can't really see how much it is, that gel, and just kind of that much of the gel, and just put it over this section. And I want to see if I have some, you know, better results, even better than what I had last time, and longer. My stepdaughters have been using this gel for their edges, so that's where half the bottle went, because I said I did not want to use it anymore. So this is what my curls are looking like in this section back here while my hair is wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is my hair now that it is 100% done and soaking wet. I don't think I used that much product, but it's a lot when you put a leave-in, a cream, and then a gel on top of it. So hopefully it don't take forever to dry. I think I want to sit under the hair dryer for this to kind of speed up the process and then diffuse it. Once it's dry, and then I will show you guys what my hair looks like after it's all done and everything. So far my thoughts are this gel and this cream mesh very well together. I don't have a white cast over my hair, over my head, and so it meshed very well. I just hope that it gives me the good results where it gives me still that soft hold, but a stronger hold than just the cream, and that my hair lasts a lot longer. So we'll see how long this lasts. Today's Tuesday. I'm hoping it'll last, you know, at least till Saturday, somewhere around there. I'll write that down in my description box how long my hair did last with this, but I will check you guys out. Either I may come back and show you what my hair look like after it's dry, or I may stretch it and all that tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna just pineapple my hair and then go to bed, or what I'll do, but we'll see. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so this is my hair that is pretty much completely dry. I did sit under a hooded dry for about 30 minutes, and then I diffused it with the diffuser, just like, you know, my ends, so my ends can dry. And it's pretty dry, and I must say my hair looks really good. I have volume already, I guess, from the diffuser. My hair does have a lot more hold than it did before with just the cream, and I like the way my hair looks just like this, honestly. But I'm going to go ahead and stretch it out tonight, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final look tomorrow once it's stretched and everything. I have my family talking in the background, so if you hear that, please ignore it. But yeah, I'll come back tomorrow and show you guys after I stretch my hair tonight and sleep on it. Okay? Okay.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Alright guys, so I'm back. This is this is day 2, I guess you want to say, because I washed my hair yesterday. But this is how my hair came out. My hair, I showed you guys a fast forward snippet of when I just did my hair. I took the bands out and then just literally fluffed it, and I picked it a little bit. But man, my hair is giving me life. It is giving me the life that I need right now. I actually love the results of it. My hair does have more of a hold than it did from the Texture ID. So if you're someone who likes a lighter hold, then just use the Texture ID by itself and you'll be good. If you're like somebody with a stronger hold and want it to last a little bit longer, hopefully this lasts longer, I would suggest using it with the gel. My hair looks good. Definition is there. It is raining today, so I don't know how long this will last. I took my kids to the movie, so I don't know, you know, with the humidity and all that, how it's gonna last, but I'm gonna at least try it out. But I want to come back and show you guys what my hair looked like. So yeah, this is the final results. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Mwah. Bye.